All right, so we 3D printed this last night. I don't know if it's gonna fly at all, but it's pretty badass. It is so freaking cool. I cannot believe I 3D printed this. The guy that designed this, whether it flies or not, dude, you're a hero. This is awesome. So the maiden voyage, let's see if it
Let's
flies.
find out.
All right, let's do it.
Okay, it needs some adjustment.
But yeah, it did say there's some adjustments that you have to do if it
Hey, what if you went to the top of the and threw it this way?
do what now?
The top over there and throw it down this way.
Yeah, maybe.
Just watching that video. Not bad. Needs a few adjustments. Here's a great idea. Why don't we just take it to the top of some bleachers and throw it off? Because, you know, it needs adjustments. That'll work out great. Really?
So,
Or even
yes, I think there are some adjustments that you can do if it kind of goes straight up. Does that little
we're still rolling if you want this all on.
You ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. Yeah, it's doing that little. Oh God!
Oh, disaster! Oh no!
Okay.
Call an ambulance!
Cut.
Call an ambulance! Really? Wambulance was a good call, Denton. Wambulance it is. Wambulance it is.